In 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you how you can shop from any online retailer and get it delivered to your doorsteps in Jamaica absolutely free. Yep, you heard me right. You'll be able to buy from places like Victoria's Secret, Amazon, Walmart, and get it delivered to your doorstep in Jamaica absolutely free. Hi, my name is Robert Taylor, and like you, my business partners and I became frustrated with substandard shipping services to Jamaica. Why do I have to go join a long line to pick up my packages? Why can't it be delivered directly to my doorstep? And that is why we've created Island Shipper. Island Shipper delivers your packages faster, more reliable and cheaper. We send you regular updates via text plus emails to let you know when your package is received and when it is on the move to you. As a member, you'll be able to ship letters and documents absolutely free. We have already shipped thousands of packages for customers just like you. As a matter of fact, hear what some of them have to say in their testimonial videos below here. We just make it hassle-free and convenient for you to shop online and pay for your shipment online. You can use debit or credit card, PayPal or Zelle, or even local bank transfers. Sign up today to start to receive free shipping coupons. Just fill out the form and click the Create Shipping Account button and you're on your way. And as a special, for today and today only, when you click the Create Shipping Account button, you'll be able to join our Platinum membership for free. That is like extending Amazon Prime to your doorstep, because as a Platinum member, you get 4 free shipping coupons per year. So go ahead, fill out the form, click the green button, and you're on your way to free shipping. Buy the things them from online retailers, get them delivered straight to your doorstep in Jamaica, absolutely free. Fill out the form and join us today.